Hey, it's Mason from Mason's Forex Trading and Investments. Please take note of the risk disclaimer. Everything provided in the video is strictly for educational purposes. Please also hit the subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends and your family. Price action analysis is to be covered, EURUSD, Great Britain Pound USD, and finally, crude oil. So we are going to go to the monthly chart of EURUSD. You can see we have two levels, 1.14500 and 1.10000. If you look to your left, you'll see price has been supported in the past, and support becomes resistance in the future. You see price pushes up, moves away, pushes up, moves away. And if you look at this rejection candle here, you'll see price actually closes in the middle. Now moving on further, if price comes to this level, there's an expectation since support becomes resistance in the future. In our case, resistance can actually become support. Now if the price does not get supported at 1.14500, there's an expectation that price can actually go or move lower. So we could have something like this. Now how can we actually enter this trade? On the daily chart, we've marked this level of 1.16173. If you look left, you'll see price is actually, we have a breakout candle here, call it BO. Since this closed lower than this specific level of 1.16173, gives us an indication price may move lower to our level of 1.14500, and it may even move much lower to 1.10000. How can we enter this trade? If price could actually retrace to this level, push up higher, give us a rejection bar, followed by an engulfing bar. This could be a potential sell signal. If this fails for whatever reason, we can look at the next level. So again, if price pushes into this level and gives us a rejection bar, followed by an engulfing bar, this would be a signal for price to go lower with our first take profit right here. And if we hold on further, price could actually come or take profit 2. So let's move on. This is Great Britain Pound USD monthly chart. We have a level of 1.142600 marked. If you look to the left, price has been supported at this level. Again, price has been supported at this level, supported once more. And in the future, we've said that as for support becomes resistance. So we have one resistance here and another resistance level right here. In our case, we can say there's an expectation for price to move lower. If you're asking, why would price move lower? If you look at a ranging market, price starts at a support level, pushes into a resistance level. From a resistance level, it moves back into a support level. You can see the pattern is now repeating. And from a resistance level, it moves to a support level. Now, if you had to draw a level approximately there, you can see that this pattern here looks very similar to this pattern. Hence, we're saying, or our prediction is, from this resistance level here, this R, we're saying the price could actually go to this support level here. Now if you look to the left hand side here, just for explanation purposes, you'll see from the support it went into the resistance, from resistance to support, very similar to this pattern right here, and then from the support level back up. So let's move on. This is the daily chart. If we could get price to move anywhere into this area of congestion, again we have a rejection bar followed by an engulfing bar would signal or tell us that price may be going lower. Our target would be approximately this level. This would be our first take profit. We're on crude oil monthly chart. So we've marked the level of 76.50. You can already see we had a resistance level here. We had this candle which formed a resistance or was rejected from this 76.50 level, and we also had this candle which moved away. So in essence, price pushed up and moved lower. Now if you go, or rather if you look back in time, you'll see we also had a support level or two support levels. We've mentioned support becomes resistance as we discussed or explained. Now what we're going to look for is, or what we need to be aware of, if you draw a line here, you'll see this candle. This is monthly, right? This is actually, this blue candle right here is a September candle. This candle closed higher than this level here. So now this is giving us a clue. The price may be going higher. The first take profit level could be 85.00. Again, the reason is we have price which is supported once, twice, and 3 times. Yes, for support. So the reason why this level is actually the take profit is price could come into this level and rotate all the way lower. So this would be a good take profit level. This is the daily charts. I would look for an engulfing bar closing higher than the level of 76.50. This would be a great signal, and as mentioned, our first take profit would be 85.00. So we've come to the end of the video. Until the next video, goodbye.